Let's learn IIB. Today, I will show you how to build a mock REST API using XSL transformation node. When you want to invoke a REST API and test it, there are many prerequisites that you have to fulfill. You have to get credentials to access the API. You have to arrange for test data. To get away from these problems, you can create a mock service. Let's build a mock service that works based on XSL transformation node. Why XSLT? Because you don't have to code, you can just copy and paste your response structure, whether it be XML or JSON, into a file, and your mock service is ready. Mock service flow design is simple with HTTP nodes and the XSL transformation node. Observe the path, suffix URL used, follow some standards when setting URL value. You can use a standard that you created. I choose to include the name of IIB project and message flow to keep the URL unique. Observe the use of XSL file and the output that it generates. CData section is used within XSL to ignore any special characters such as less than symbol. Final output is a JSON file shown on the right. Include XSL file in XSLT, deploy and test your code. I forgot to provide XML for the XSLT node. Add a compute node and create XML before invoking XSLT node. Deploy and test again. Now our test is successful. We have generated a mock JSON response from a REST API. As always, these projects that I show in my YouTube video are available on my GitHub repository for free. Download and practice with coding samples. Let me know in comments what tools do you use to mock a web service, SOAP UI or something else.